Meaning of disciplined.
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 Disciplined. Discipline means having the ability to control and regulate oneself in order to achieve specific goals or standards. Being disciplined requires one to be focused, organized, consistent, and committed. These traits lead to a more efficient use of time and resources, resulting in increased productivity and success. With discipline, one is better able to resist distractions and temptations, stay on track with tasks and goals, and make better decisions. Ultimately, being disciplined leads to a sense of accomplishment and self-mastery, which improves one's overall well-being and quality of life.